a single crop that stretches across millions of acres, shaping economies and feeding the world. But did you know it's also the backbone of a multi-billion-dollar industry? From the heart of America's farmland, corn isn't just a staple, it's a global powerhouse. In 2023, the U.S. produced a staggering 380 million metric tons of corn, cementing its position as the world's top producer. But how did this golden crop become the foundation of food, fuel, and industry? With the U.S. supplying over 30% of global corn exports, this isn't just farming, it's an agricultural empire. Corn represents more than just cultivation. It's a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and the future of modern agriculture. Across the vast fields of America, a golden crop sways in the wind. But it's more than just food. This crop fuels food, energy, and economies. But how did it all begin? Join us as we explore the incredible journey of corn farming and harvesting in the U.S. The yield and quality of corn depend on selecting the right seed variety. In the USA, hybrid and GMO corn seeds are preferred due to their high productivity and resistance to pests and diseases. Farmers select seeds with high germination rates, above 90%, for optimal yield. Corn grows best in deep, well-drained, and nutrient-rich soil. The ideal pH level for corn farming is between 5.8 and 7.0. Organic matter and fertilizers like manure, compost, and synthetic nitrogen are applied to improve soil fertility. In the USA, corn is planted in spring, April, May. When the soil temperature reaches at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Seeds are planted 1.5 to 2 inches deep using precision planters. The row spacing is typically 30 inches for commercial farming to ensure proper sunlight exposure and air circulation. Corn seedlings emerge within 7 to 10 days, marking the start of their growth cycle. Corn plants take 60 to 100 days to mature, depending on the variety. Adequate water supply is essential, with 1 to 1.5 inches of water required per week. If rainfall is insufficient, center pivot irrigation or drip irrigation is used. Corn plants require fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support strong growth. Pest control measures include integrated pest management, IPM, to protect against corn borers, armyworms, and fungal infections. Corn plants start pollination within 40 to 60 days of growth. The tassels release pollen, which fertilizes the silks of developing ears. Proper spacing and wind circulation ensure successful pollination and uniform kernel development. Some farmers use bee colonies to enhance pollination, though corn primarily relies on wind pollination. Corn is ready for harvest when kernels reach physiological maturity, typically 90 to 120 days after planting. The ideal moisture level for harvesting is between 20 to 25% to prevent grain damage. Some farmers use desiccants to speed up drying and prepare for mechanical harvesting. Weather conditions are monitored to ensure a dry harvest, as wet conditions can delay operations. Modern farms use combine harvesters, which cut, thresh, and clean corn in a single pass. The machines efficiently remove kernels from cobs while minimizing grain loss. Harvesting occurs early in the day when moisture levels are lower, ensuring better grain quality. Farmers adjust harvester settings based on corn variety and moisture content to optimize efficiency. Freshly harvested corn is often too moist for safe storage, requiring drying to 13 to 15% moisture. Large-scale farms use grain dryers, while some rely on natural air drying in silos. Proper drying prevents mold growth and ensures long-term storage stability. Once dried, corn is stored in silos or grain bins, maintaining proper aeration to avoid spoilage. Stored corn is transported to our processing plants, where it is sorted and cleaned for various uses. Corn is processed into multiple products, including food, cornmeal, tortillas, animal feed, and ethanol fuel. The USA is one of the largest exporters of corn, shipping globally for diverse industrial applications. Corn distribution depends on demand, with logistics carefully planned to minimize post-harvest losses. Corn isn't just a crop, it's the foundation of global agriculture and a key player in shaping the future of food and energy. Stay tuned with Greenfield's agriculture technology to explore its journey from seed to harvest and beyond.